You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word in English, by the way, correctly. If you want to learn more correct pronunciations, more vocabulary, stay tuned. Reproduction, let's break it down. The first syllable is usually pronounced as re. Now, some may say it as ra, as in a schwa sound, but it's normally, in English, re. Reproduction. Stress on the duck syllable. British English and American English pronunciations are similar here. Reproduction, reproduction. You can say reproduction, that works too, but it's usually a pr sound. Reproduction. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.